video. So this would be the new Latecoming system that's supposed to be fully digitalized. So for the students who are going to be operating this, what happens is you're going to scan the bus pass of the bus card of all the students, and then their IC number will appear here. So and then you pick from the list here, which is the typical reason they are late, right? And then what you do is you just click add. So this person is now added into the latecomer for the day. And as you can see that if you scan the IC number, it doesn't if you change it, the name changes here too. So let's say I want to take a look at the reason for this person. Let's say in this case is Mr. Jason. I want to see what they are late, how often they are late. I can basically just display. I click this display button. You see that it's one time late. This is the reason. This is the date. This is the time, and then this is counted. Now this counted is a bit tricky. So let me explain this. If I use another person, for example, you can see that there's some counted and there's some not counted, right? So what's not counted? Grace pass not counted. See, grace pass not counted. This one is the where we the let's say the teacher excuse the person not counted. So these two are not counted. That's why this person's late coming is only three, which is also reflected here. Okay, so that's all the students need to do. Okay, you just need to scan the IC, select the reason, and press the latecomer, and then you're done. So it's that 100 times faster than what we're doing it now. Okay, so for the discipline side of things, what happens is when you add a person, they automatically create a new role for that person with that reason. So let me just test it out for you to see. Okay, so I'm going to add this person. I'm going to put the reason as others, for example. I'm going to add. Okay, so you see that under here, I already added today's date and the time because now I'm doing it at 4 something. That's why the time is like that. Okay, so and then it's added in. So when I display the same person, you can see that this row is added in. It used to not be around one. Okay, so and then this is the database where we keep the NRIC, name, class, FT of every single student in the school. And then this is the official late coming reason that used to be in the survey right now. Okay, so that's how the new system will work. Hope you've learned something. Thank you and bye bye.